Today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this Instagram famous look, and it starts right now. Guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new video. If you're new here and want to learn how I created looks and looks like these, you can start by subscribing to my channel and turning notifications on. Once my channel reaches 300 subscribers, your girl will be going live to pick the winner, so you don't want to miss it. Without further ado, let's jump right into this look. First step in this tutorial, as always, you guys know there's no change here. I'm going to be priming my eyes using a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light, which is number 10, if you're wondering. To be setting that using a little bit of airspun translucent setting powder just to make sure it doesn't move around. Alright, to start off with a little bit of color, I'm going to take my Maybelline flat packing brush and of course spritz it with some Revlon setting powder, and I'm going to dip into the brightest of the yellow shades from this palette, and I'm just going to start packing it in my inner corner, staying below the crease. Alright, now that lovely yellow has been laid down, I'm going to blend it in and above my crease using a bright yellow from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And now I'm going to dive into a shimmer orange color with the same brush, and I'm just going to place this on my lid in the center point and meld it in with that shimmer yellow that is in the inner corner. Now that orange has been laid down, we can start blending. I did pick up a blender brush and dived into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette once again into that orange, and I'm just going to place it over my crease and blend it all together. Alright, now that I'm looking a little bit crazy, I'm going to dive into this lovely reddish color, and with a flat shading brush, I am going to just pack it on the outer portion, on my outer V. Then to blend out that red into the orange, of course I went in with a fresh blending brush, and I'm just going to place this a little bit above that red and just meld it together seamlessly. now that I'm feeling fiery, I'm going to pick up a clean shader brush and I'm just going to run this along that really harsh red line, and I'm just going to soften up just a smidge. Start off this side, I did go ahead and bring back the 1900s eyeshadow applicator. So this is a sponge applicator, and I noticed that using these super soft pigments, it's super easy to apply using this more so than a brush. So I'm just going to stamp it in my inner corner before I go in and blend above the crease. Now that that shimmer green has been laid down, I can go in with a, hi pigment, with a regular blending brush, and I did jump over to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette for this lovely matte green. So let's get to blending above the crease. Dive into this lovely turquoise blue color, and then I'm just going to place this directly next to the green color and then work my way into a darker blue momentarily. So in with the blue. I'm just melding those two colors together. Alright, now right next to that turquoise blue, I am going to deepen it up just a little bit, jumping over 2 shades and picking up this lovely opal blue color. And then of course meld all those colors together. Now for blending above the crease on this blue, I did choose a lighter shade of blue. I'm just going to take a clean blender brush and work my way from the green and drag it on out here to blend into the purple. So I did choose to go in with this shimmery purple shade, and again with my stamper sponge, super cute, right? And I'm just going to stamp this closer to the blue and finish off the look. Now that that purple has been laid down, I know it looks a little messy, but I am going to dive in with one last clean blender brush and dive into this light purple shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Knock it off a couple of times because these are really pigmented, and just go over that purple line and meld it into the blue. That it seems a little bit messy, but wait. Hey guys, this is the completed look, and I had so much fun creating this for you guys. I'm sure you've seen it all over Instagram, but you know your girl had to dabble her finger into it. Good luck to each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next one. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.